Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs here in Huntsville, Alabama for Your Own Econ. This is the channel we focus on affiliate marketing and home-based business opportunities and side gigs. Today I just wanted to talk to you real quick about Power Lead System. Power Lead System has went through some slight changes within the past few days. Been in the works for a little while, but they just made a huge announcement this past Monday, and I'm going to touch on that in the next video about the new changes that they made with Power Lead System, which are not too drastic. As a matter of fact, it's not, it's very exciting, a very huge addition. As I said before, I've rarely known them to just totally shift and rearrange and change and take away from their comp plan, or their comp plan mainly, or their company in general. I think at one point they made some changes to their website building and capture page and sales page building interface, but I think it was a drag and drop, but I guess the partnership, the people that they were working with didn't work. But that's the only thing I know that has came and went. One of the things that stand out to me. But as far as the comp plan itself, the only thing they've mostly done is add it and shift it a little bit to add to the comp plan, not take away, and make it better. And that's what they've always been doing. So that's what I like about this company. They're always trying to make things better for their members and their product better for their customers. Whether you're an affiliate or whether you're just a customer using the actual product. But today I want to talk about the three best sales funnels in Power Lead System, because of course this is a marketing system, and what we do is we build funnels and we build a list through this marketing system, these sales funnels. And real quick, to break down what a sales funnel is a process or a small system that you use to create a prospect from being a prospect, or a let's say someone who is interested in your product, possibly interested in your product or service, and help them go from that to an actual customer or business partner. So it's very exciting changes that they dealt with, and I'm going to try to deal with them a little in depth in the next video. It's just some exciting things going on. Power Lead System has been in business for 10 years, so they're not really going anywhere. They're just, getting better and better and better. So again, going to talk about the three best sales funnels to use that convert, that have been proven to convert. All the funnels in Power Lead System convert, especially ones that you create, because no one else has them. It's not saturated, but these three have been consistently converting for over the years that Power Lead System has been in business. Now there's different variations of the funnels that I'm showing, but I'm just going to show, I guess, the main ones, or some of the main pages, or the three main offers of Power Lead System, I guess I must say. But still there are funnels to these three main offers. So we're going to log into the Power Lead System back office real quick, and here's our introductory page, and we're going to go on and okay, we're now to our main interface, and as you can see, I'm at the gold level and I have the diamond level, and we're working our way to this product. I'm going to talk about this particular product in the next video. It was Social Profit Academy, now it's Home Business Pro. That is the only change that was made. I mentioned an announcement in a previous video that that they had a huge announcement, and that's what it was. They made some changes to one of the products and actually made it better in the comp plan. So I'm going to go over a few sales funnels, the best ones. And the first one, I'm going to click the easy button because that's going to take us to a page that has two of the main funnels right up front. First is Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is one of the great offers that a lot of people have been able to convert a lot of leads to sales. And with Lead Lightning, you are able to make a upfront funded proposal for $7. And then that person, of course, becomes a lead. And not only do they become a lead, you get paid $7 one time up front, and then they get upselled in the back end to, gold and other products. So it's a win-win-win situation. You're building your list, you're getting paid up front, and then plus you have someone, that you can contact over and over and over again and upsell them to a better product. And they in turn have the same opportunity. Lead Lightning, it says show me the link to use, and I'm going to click on that and see how we'll see that funnel. Okay, there are no subdomains. I'm gonna go to the website because that'll be easier for me to find them. But 4 of our main funnels are in the front page. So we're gonna go real quick to the Lead Lightning lead capture page. Pardon me. I like to do things as I go, so you could see how, easy it is to find these things. There is here it is, a Lead Lightning section in the website's section right here. As you can see, Lead Lightning lead capture pages, and as you can see, here are some of the lead capture pages. This one is very popular because it's very simple. It's just it's email, singular opt-in, and quick headline, easy online system creates leads and daily cash. So that's what this is about. Lead Lightning, that's what it's about. Creating leads and cash flow. And then they're eventually upsold to other products. This is a popular one for Lead Lightning. This is still Lead Lightning. How to create a frenzy of red hot buyers. And that's what this is about. And then they enter their name and their email. That's the lead capture page. Here's a quick video explaining it, for a few minutes, if that long. Here's another popular one for Lead Lightning. Discover how a new $7 funnel can leverage into $526 per lead. That means, upsells, and here's the video. So this is awesome.
Hey everyone, it's Jeff here, and what we got here is just a really quick video to let you guys know we found.
So those are the awesome lead capture pages. The sales pages are just as awesome. Here's one Lead Lightning sales page. But these funnels convert. This funnel converts very high. I know a lot of heavy hitters still promote Lead Lightning. So here's the video, and here's a breakdown of the products. One time $7, you earn daily commissions, build a list of targeted buyers, boost sales, get free traffic training. Yep, you get free traffic training. And here are some of our team leaders. And he's a legendary online marketer. So I think he's used it also. And that's that particular sales page. I'm gonna go to one more for Lead Lightning, and this is the one that breaks down all the products. And I'm sure they're gonna have to update this one, being that they changed Social Profit Academy to Home Business Pro, and that's platinum, I believe. Yeah. So they have to change that. Now it still has that price point. No, well, no, now it's $200. So I'll be talking about that later. But yeah, they'll have to change the platinum upsell. Or you won't be able to use, and that's what they meant by 526. But they'll have to change that because of the Power Lead system changes. But they're working on that. So, but you can always use this one because, the upsells are there, but, that particular one they'll have to change. But this is a good standard lead capture page because they'll still get the upsells in the back end, especially with the Home Business Pro, because they'll automatically get emails for that particular product. So this sales page will be one that's more appropriate to use for now until they change the other one. The other one is awesome. It has good graphics, but you want to be correct in what you're presenting. So right now, that would be the only lead lightning sales page I would use, would be that one. Okay, so that's Lead Lightning, and the next one is of course my favorite as of right now, which is the Cash Now funnel. And real quick, I'm gonna go to one of the lead. I'll go to a couple of. I think the standard one is number 6. Is the one I use. I still use this lead capture page for the Cash Now funnel. I'm gonna click it from inside the system here. I could put in my web address, but I'm gonna show the Cash Now funnel. Okay, I'll just click a couple here because Cash Now funnel. That's 100 to 1,500 daily, and how to leverage only $1 and turn it. Now I like this one. This is for the Cash Now funnel, and you can get a $1 free trial for 14 days with the Cash Now funnel, and this is converting awesomely. Very awesome. Here's another one. Dummy proof. Okay. Dummy proof $1 business produces a $100,000 result. Even you can't screw this up. And I know someone who's made $100,000 from the Cash Now funnel and coupled with something else. But it's possible. And there's a pop-up. When you click that, this pops up. So that's neat. I like that. But the Cash Now funnel in general is converting awesomely. And number 7. And this is the lead capture page. Yeah. This is more like the original. And you have that one. They can enter their email. And I'm going to see. Yeah, there it goes. Now here's the original standard Cash Now funnel lead capture page that I've been using, and this converts 50%, meaning I send 100 clicks to my lead capture page, I'll get between 45 to 50% or more to opt in to my lead capture page. So that's awesome. Providing you're sending good traffic, to your page. So that's the key. That's the catch. Okay, and the sales page for Cash Now funnel is, I mean, it's the same sales page here with all your trainings. Okay, that's the lead capture page. It's taking me, this is taking me to the full funnel. Okay, this takes you to the full funnel. So we're going to go to the sales page, and it's going to say SP1, as in sales page number 1. There it is. Now here's step 1 and step 2, but we're going to go to sales, the front sales page. This is the introductory page to the Cash Now funnel. He'll have to make some changes to his funnel too. But like I said, the only change is one product, you know, so the income potential is still great. It's like, you know, you still want to be accurate in what you're selling, but everybody has to maintain a gold membership before they buy any product. So this is the introductory sales page, a quick video, and then it says, yes, let me in. And then it'll take you through the steps. This is step 1, your fast start training. Another introductory video into the comp plan and the system, what it's about, and what you're going to be doing to set up your system. You know, it's going to show you how to sign up.
Duplication, replication, and domination.
No.
They have the training. They have every single thing they need. They have the infrastructure.
So
Visa card, which you can,
this shows you how to sign up, and mind you, everybody has a sign up and go. So really, up front, that's what you should be focused on initially. And then it says enroll for $1. You can still enroll for $1. Doesn't matter what you're looking to purchase, whether you're looking to purchase platinum or diamond. You're still going to have to enter in through gold, and that starts your 14-day trial. Then after you enroll, you go through step 2, which is your setup. Set up your funnel. And here's a quick cheat sheet. He shows you how to set it up. Okay, Frank. Set up with your he's gonna get, you know, you get the share code here, how to, you know, buy or transfer your domain from GoDaddy and connect your domain. Easy stuff. It's nothing hard at all. You could follow the video and get it. Then step 3 is going to show you how to market and get traffic to your funnel. Endless instant traffic. And here's the video.
He's got a whole bunch of traffic. But for training purpose, we'll just leave it there. Okay, and then the link, you can see my link populated.
You know, he's showing you here different traffic sources to use, what to do when you have people opt in to your page, to stay in contact with them and eventually convert them to business partners. So the Cash Now, to me, the Cash Now funnel is still a go. It's just one product, and you just have to keep that in mind. That one product has changed, and you'll be earning more from that one product. Instead of a one-time fee per customer, you're gonna earn perpetually. So that's to be explained in another video by me. Okay, for this channel. And then, you know, step 3, driving traffic. Then you want to make sure that you sign up for the Facebook group. Here's the Power Lead System Facebook group. So everything is right here. So the Cash Now funnel it converts excellent. Okay, you know, people are signing up. You can get them in the system. You know, the system is gonna guide them from there. So here we go. And here's our group. and it's showing some of our funnels here. And he's showing about the new funnel, and I'm going to be talking about that in the next video. And that leads me to our next funnel that I know is a lot of people are raving about and is converting very well, and that's the Fire Your Boss funnel. But I know right now people are more focused on this one because it contains the new product. But this funnel still converts very well. And just to give you a quick peek at that one, the lead capture page for Fire Your Boss. I mean, that name alone just does it. But this is Fire Your Boss lead capture. Kind of looks similar to the Home Business Pro, but it gives you a story to work with. How a Staples checkout girl built a $106,879 per year online business and moved to paradise. They do live in Hawaii. The couple that helps train Power Lead System and does our Fast Start trainings. Let's see. They do that every Monday and Thursday, I believe. Yes, Monday and Thursday. Ace and Rich. They do the Fast Start trainings every Monday and Thursday, and this is their story. Ace, she had a job at Staples and got into Power Lead System and made $106,000, over $106,000 in 1 year, and hasn't looked back. So this is the lead capture page. Nice, very simple. Just the opt-in, name, email, and the headline of the story, without creating any products, building websites, or any techie knowledge whatsoever. And then once you opt in, you're going to come to a page where she's just going to tell her story. It has a video, a full video. Where she tells her story, and I don't think that video is too long. I don't like sales pages where the story just goes so long, but and it takes so long before they get to the point. But here's the page, the sales page with the video, as you can see, and here it says build a $4,000, almost $5,000 a month business from your kitchen table or anywhere. Free training video. And yes, she has training here. And then you have the timer in the bottom. That's always good, so they know, you only have so long to make a decision. And then here's the video.
The rumors are true. There is a new
where she's telling her story.
For you to fire your boss and write your own paycheck.
And as the timer goes down to a certain point, you'll have a video to join. So this is neat, and this is converting very well. A lot of people are using this and signing up goals left and right. So that's the whole point, getting people into your opting into your opt-in page and signing up, and then you can stay in contact with them and sign up. Awesome. So those are the 3 best lead capture pages for Power Lead System. You have the Lead Lightning, which promotes the one-time $7, and then once they get into the system, they're introduced to other products where they can be upsold. That's the whole point, leveling up. Then you have the Cash Now funnel, where it promotes the $1 free trial for 14 days. Then you have the Fire Your Boss, which also promotes the $1 free trial. And our new funnel, which is the Home Business Pro funnel, just to give you a quick sneak peek on that, the lead capture page. But here's the sales page, which is awesome. And it looks kind of similar to the Fire Your Boss, but it has a timer also. But this has a huge video. And that's exciting. How to build a 600 per day business from your kitchen table or anywhere. So I would say this is a good number 4, coming in at number 4, or honorable mention. But it's going to be the number 1, because right now, you know, we're hitting the ground running with this, you know, with the new product, because it's awesome. Packed full with value to get with tools on how to build your business with Power Lead system, or any system, any company that you choose to be in. You're going to crush it with this. And the lead capture page for that, for the Home Business Pro, real quick. That's for anything. And then here we go. I love this lead capture page. Simple, headline, to the point. I love the colors. I like blue. And show me perpetual leverage. And perpetual leverage is something to get excited about. And I will be talking about that in another video. So those are the top 3 or 4 sales funnels and Power Lead system. You know, get with us. This is awesome. Power Lead system is on the move. Business 10 years. In business 10 years, haven't missed payments. Same payment processor for years. That is awesome. So, thank you for watching, and until next video.